Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. Show that 6, 3 over 4 divided by 2, 4 over 7 is equal to 2, 5 over 8. First off, we can turn these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 6 times 4 is 24, plus the numerator, which is 3, that's 27 over 4, divided by 2 times 7, that's 14, plus 4, that's 18 over 7, is equal to 2, 5 over 8. When dividing fractions, we can simply find the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply. 27 over 4 multiplied by, let's flip this to 7 over 18, is equal to 2, 5 over 8. We can simplify this by finding the lowest common factor of 27 and 18, which is 9. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Since there's no lowest common factor of 4 and 7, we can simply multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 2 is 8. It's equal to 2, 5 over 8. And the lowest multiple of 8 that's beneath 21 is 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 21 minus 16 is 5. And we simply write the denominator as 8 is equal to 2, 5 over 8. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram then scram.